In this video I'm going to show you how you can download and use custom maps on MECCHA Chameleon. So if you find the video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and like it. So once you launch the game, you will find maps right here and you just need to click it. And right here you will find a lot of different maps. So for example, we got like Minecraft maps, we also have Counter-Strike maps as well. A swimming pool, well, you have a lot of different options you can choose. And let's say we want to download this Minecraft lobby. You just need to click it, then go to subscribe and click here, and this will start downloading the map. It will only take a few seconds. Now once it's done, you will need to open the game again, go to create server and create your server. And now if we go to this button right here, we can change the map. So click it to configure the map and you'll find the list of all the maps you have right here. If it doesn't appear, you will need to restart the game, but in this case I have the Minecraft lobby here. I can double click it and start game, and just like this you have your custom map on your MECCHA Chameleon lobby. So that's it. That's how you can use custom maps on MECCHA Chameleon. I hope it was helpful and thanks for watching.